Hello everyone, this is about the microbes as a biocontrol agents. Biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods for controlling the plant diseases and also pest. Increased use of chemicals, inorganic fertilizers have polluted our environment, soil, water, crop plants, for fruits, vegetables, etc. So chemical methods kill both useful and also harmful living organisms, life forms also indiscriminately. So our soil is also polluted through the use of weedicides to remove these weeds. Therefore, holistic approaches involving biological agents is being used for controlling the agricultural pest. Microbes as a biopesticides. It includes pesticides of biological origin or biological control agents also. These are used to control the weeds and also insects to pest. Accordingly, these have been divided into two groups, bioinsecticides and also bioherbicides. So, biological control involves natural predation of the pest. These have the following benefits also. These are non-persistent, non-toxic, biodegradable. These do not eradicate the pest but keep them at the manageable level through the food chains and also food webs, so that the survival of the beneficial predatory and parasitic insects is ensured. So, these maintain the biodiversity and also stability of the ecosystem. This reduces our dependency on toxic chemical pesticides, so decrease the chances of environmental pollution and also degradation. Therefore, biocontrol involves a holistic approaches also. So let's talk about more about this as a biocontrol agents also. Next we see bioinsecticides. These are being used as a pest management. These are non-toxic, pollution-free, and hence quality products could be made available for the human consumption. Examples are biological agents involve use of bacteria, viruses, and also other insects which are natural predators and also pest. Predators: ladybird and dragonflies, mosquitoes, hawk, beetles, coccinella, and sympetrum. Controlling these aphids, plant pests and mosquitoes, etc. Baculoviruses. These are the pathogenic viruses that attack the insects and also other arthropods. These are excellent candidates for the specific species-specific narrow-spectrum insecticidal applications also. These include two important genera, nucleopolyhedroviruses and also granulosis viruses, which occur naturally and found to be effective, and some insects which are used as a biocontrol agents to control the harmful insects such as ants, wasps, beetles, potato beetles, aphids, corn borers, and also grass. Resemble like a mosquitoes also. Gnats, Gnats. And entomorphs is another baculoviruses which adversely affect rate of development of grasshoppers and also amount of food it eats. Next we see different types of the other things, that is BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, commonly we call as a BT, most potent for the producing chemicals with insecticidal properties. It produces protein toxin called as an thurioside, which when ingested by larvae of the insects inhibit the ion transport in the midgut and kill them. Spores of this bacteria produce the insecticidal cryprotein. Due to this, the spores of the BT is available in sachets also. So these are dissolved in the water and sprayed on vulnerable plants to kill the larvae of some insects. Commercial preparations are made by adding the spores to cryprotein and also insert the carrier also. It is used to control butterfly caterpillars. BT bacterium was the first biopesticide to be used on a commercial scale in the world also. Trichoderma hergianum is a free-living fungus, belongs to the Deuteromycetes, and it is common in the root ecosystem and control many soil-borne diseases like root rot, rhizome rot, stem rot, toxic substances such as the gliotoxin, viridin, glioviridin, etc. They are effective biocontrol agents of several plant pathogens. They are desirable in overall integrated pest management program when an ecologically sensitive area is being treated. They have no negative impacts on the plants, mammals, birds, fishes, or even the non-target pest also. If you go through this, fungi-based bioinsecticides such as Vevia bassinia and for some other few fungi are considered useful for controlling the insect population. Bioinsecticides based on these Bassiana have the advantages that This fungus does not grow on the warm blood organisms, and also it fails to survive in water. It controls forestry of the pest also. So let's talk about more about it. Next we see bioherbicides. These are living organisms which control the weeds, and it was developed in the year 1981, and it was the mycoherbicide derived from a fungus Phytophthora palmipora, which controls the growth of the milkweed and also vines in citrus orchards. Another fine example, overgrowth of the cacti by introduction of the cochineal insect Cactoblastis cactorum in India and also Australia. Recently, two fungal spores products like Divine and College have been introduced to control the weeds also. Latest technique in controlling the weeds is to produce transgenic croplands which will be able to tolerate the herbicide also. So if you see this, microbes as a biofertilizers also, we have huge benefits about this. Biofertilizers are organisms that enrich the nutrient quality also. The main sources of biofertilizers are bacteria, fungi, cyanobacteria. The nodules on the roots of leguminous plants formed by the symbiotic association of rhizobium. These bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into organic forms, which is used by the plant as a nutrient. Other bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen while free living in the soil, Azospirillum azotobacter, thus enriching the nitrogen content of the soil also. Fungi are also known to form symbiotic association with the plant's mycorrhiza. Many members of the genus Glomus form the mycorrhiza. The fungal symbiont in these associations absorbs phosphorus from the soil and also passes it to the plant. Plants having such associations show other benefits also, such as resistance to root-borne pathogens, tolerance to salinity, drought, and also an overall increase in the plant pathogen and also development. So these are the benefits of this. On the other hand, cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes widely distributed in aquatic and also terrestrial environments, many of which can fix atmospheric nitrogen, Anabina, Nostoc, Oscillatoria, Olocera. In paddy fields especially, cyanobacteria serve as an important biofertilizer. BGA also add organic matter to the soil and also increase its fertility. Using azolla containing Anabina as biofertilizer, farmers were able to produce up to 50% of the higher paddy field also. So that's all about this microbes in the human welfare, guys. I hope you understood. Please do subscribe my channel and keep watching. More topics will be coming in this my channel. Thank you for watching.